another, ano, right? Another role ng dexterity saving throw. Tama pa, Ash?
Wait lang, wait lang.
No, I think I'll. Mm.
Ano ba, Ash? Ano ba, Ash, gagawin?
Is it my Bardic?
Kasi the disc itself, I just cast it. So walang success or failure yung pagcast ng disc. Pero yung sa where I place it, yung dexterity saving throw.
Yung gano'n din kabilis yung ano niya. Okay. Okay. Roll me your dexterity saving throw.
Okay. So if I fail,
Pero
I
will
could
die.
add what I could add 1d4 from the Bardic Inspiration.
1d6.
1d6. Okay. All right.
And then,
Rolling.
Rolled will die.
Alright.
Rolling in 3, 2, 1.
Then biglang nagkatan.
Is that a failure? Should I roll 1d6?
Eh kayo, mag-roll ka
I,
ba 1d6?
I think you should, to be sure.
Oh, I'm gonna roll 1d6, sure. Why the hell not? Oh,
Please be a 4. Yes! We got 31.
Pwede na!
Bro, you miss the first disc.
Oh shit.
Jax and all of
Ito
you
na, ito na.
cannot see Bolt anymore.
Motherfucker.
But you heard a tug.
Bye. Tag.
A tug.
Oh my god, he's on the edge.
Nice.
The motherfucker is on the edge.
Bolt,
Motherfucker's on
I'm
the
so
edge.
Bolt, you are now you see yourself kneeling in the disc that was made by Jax.
Whoa!
Oh. Shit.
Yeah.
Yes!
You heard the yes coming from below.
I'm magical!
Ito patawa ko doon. Roll, come on! Get up here right now!
Okay. Can I reach the
Okay.
boat edge? Of course I can, I'm tall.
Okay. Nakita niyo itong creature na to? Sobrang layo na from where you are na ngayon. Slowly becoming far and further and further and further.
Pero kita pa namin yung ano, yung glow ng hand niya.
Yeah, nakikita niyo yung glow ng hand niya. Pero
Oh.
unti-unti na nawawala sa fog. And you are now out of initiative.
Rolled save the day.
What do you mean, bro?
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh,
kita niya lang,
athlete, Ash.
kita niya lang si Jaxus parang with a side eye.
You heard?
It's actually
I mean,
just a
he-
D6.
Siya yung pumatay eh.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Tangina na, Ash. What the fuck? Ash, bakit ka dyan music? Are we not out of the clear?
You guys hear sa
Oh my
speaker
fucking hell.
dito. Merong
Oh,
speaker
it's
dito.
the stun guy.
Speaker? Ang ina may speaker.
You heard from the speaker, the captain is speaking. This is the captain speaking.
Wow.
Hello.
And I am sadly will inform you guys that we are gonna hit the mountain. So raise yourself up, hold onto your lives. We are gonna hit the mountains.
Titanic shit, man.
Wait, napatawa ko lang to. Just in the middle of the ocean, just a random ass mountain.
Diba?
We are near into our destination.
It's... Oh god.
And And I cannot stop the brake. The brake is not working. So
Anchor.
brace yourself.
Anchor.
The anchor is not working.
Anchor.
Anchor, anchor.
Angkor.
Inaano natin si Ann.
Nanginginig.
Sumisigaw.
All of
Okay.
you, roll me dexterity saving.
Oh no, eto.
Okay.
Pati yung mga karakter niya.
Dali lang ha.
Ang dami.
Wait, paano is doesn't ulit saving throw? I forgot. Ah. Oh, there
Nasa
it is.
upper right.
Yeah, I see it now.
Advisor.
Dang it. We suck.
Please stop.
We actually suck.
Okay. You guys crash the mountain. And nakita nyo, tumalsik si Jax. Ay,
Huh?
si Lip. Si Prince Bodyguard.
Wait, wait.
Nanti nyo nakuha ko.
Sleep.
Si Joaquin.
No.
The child.
And Zarya.
The child.
Child.
Nakita nyo, tumalsik dito.
Si Malik.
Si Fern.
Diba?
Alam
Si-
yung nanay.
Si Prince Malik.
Ay, puta. Crush ka
Tumama
naman.
dito.
Okay. Whew.
And nakita nyo, alam mo, kumikis-kis na yung mismong barko sa cave. And nakikita nyo unti-unti nagbabagsakan yung mga bato sa harap nyo. Bag! Bag! And nakikita nyo unti-unting napapansin nyo. Wait lang. Oops, hindi ako makataas.
I just imagine the reason, hindi tumasik si Jax at si Bro. It's because we're holding on to each other for dear life.
Wait lang.
Just imagine just like a 5'8" man hugging like a big strong
Nakita nyo, pumasok
Or-
kayo sa cave. And si Jarya, Joaquin, Fern, and Prince Bodyguard and Malik and Leaf are now unconscious.
Pwede na kami kumulas.
But
Okay na. Is it over?
Fern, nakita mo, Fern, nakita mo is wait lang. Nakita mo si Fern is not unharmed
Oh
because
no.
of Leaf. Wheelchair. You see yourself not unharmed also.
Wait, lumipad rin siya?
Lumipad kayong dalawa ni Wheelchair and Gilder because Gilder protected. And ngayon, Jax, you see yourself hanging on sa mismong ano na yan, kasama si Brold. And you see
Pwede hawak namin dalawa yung disc.
yung disc. Nakahawak-hawak niyo yung disc. And Fern, nakita mo si Leaf. Merong malaking bakal.
No.
Oh no. Tusok.
Damn! Barbecued!
No.
Wait lang.
Well,
Sige, while that's happening, magpapaload lang ako dito sa ng more internet.
sige lang.
Sabihan niyo si Asha, kung wala ako, nagpa-internet lang ako.
Sige.
Hello? Hello? Nawawala ako. Wait
Hi,
lang.
Ash,
Nagpa-open
kumuha ng
si,
internet
ano,
yan na si Edward.
yung nanay, walang pakialam dun sa anak.
Wow! Wala akong bonus action. Hindi ako pwede makapag-react. Ang kapaloka mo.
Ay, naka 21 yung nanay. Yung anak,
Putangin
naka
mo!
ay,
Gago
Tulog
ka,
na
Matt.
ay, shame.
Once
What?
lang niya na nabitawan yung
Mm-mm. Ay,
Shut up, old man.
ay,
Nasunog pa yung isang
shame.
infant.
Mm-mm.
Oy, that was not an infant.
It
He
was a
looked like a
demon.
grown-ass age child. And I don't know who the fuck that was. He just started burning by himself. No, wait lang. Bakit, why? Bakit yung ginigit
Or
yung character?
ano,
Kaya,
Ano?
Morgana is a genderist, like a racist, but for genders. Nakalimutan ko yung term.
Ano
Sexist.
sa'yo? Tigilan mo
Ah,
ko.
sige, sexist. Sexist siya sa mga bata.
Mm.
no.
No? The
Yeah.
fuck?
Ayaw niya sa
Ayun.
mga boys. Gusto niya sa girls lang.
Okay, hello,
Kaya
hello.
lang
Ay,
siya
Sige,
racist.
wow.
stop.
Okay.
Talaga.
Hindi siya What the
Hello,
fuck?
hello?
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay. Where am I? Okay. Okay, nasaan na nga pala? Fern, nakita mo si Leaf na sa likod mo. You turn your head back. Seeing Leaf has a huge metal on his side of his body. Nakita mo parang pipe na parang tumusok sa mismong sa right side ni Leaf. And nakita mo merong malaking tusok sa may right eye ni Leaf
Oh, shit.
Oh man.
na parang isang bakal na mismong nakita mo doon sa mismong sa mismong left eye ni Leaf. Nakita mo nandyan lang siya is nakita mo dumugo yung bunganga niya. And ngayon wait lang ulit.
Brain
Ngayon?
chunk.
Oops, wait lang.
Mali ang nalagay.
Sorry,
Yung
sorry, sorry.
butler.
Kaya nga,
Yung
huwag ka
butler
mukha,
yung
huwag ka mukha.
nagsay.
Huwag ka mukha eh.
Alam ko yung butler na yung nagdikta.
Okay. Okay.
No.
Wheelchair? Wheelchair ba? Tama ba, di ba? Riku? Tama ba? Wheelchair, Riku? Wheelchair, di
Yeah,
ba?
Will.
Any,
Wheelchair?
kahit ano,
Any.
kahit Riku, okay.
You see your brother
Mm.
is nag-pierce through siya sa metal. Nag-pierce through siya sa mata, sa leeg, sa heart,
Oh my gosh, what?
sa
Wow.
chest, sa liver, sa paa,
Yan, chill.
and nakita mo wala yung right arm niya. And nakita mo may biglang dumugo yung mismo bunganga ni ni wheelchair. Anong gagawin yung dalawa? Kayong dalawang boat, Fern
Sige.
and
Ikaw muna, Carla.
Though si Leaf yung nakalagay na cleric ngayon, I can't do anything. anything. Help. Ah, can I cry?
I mean, ano yung item mo?
I don't remember.
Nakalimutan ko na yun.
Again, nalimutan ko na din yan. Shit.
Picture yun. Ano ba yun?
Ano yung item ko?
Soul Hook. That's a hotdog.
Oh no.
Charm of decisive strike. Uh, oh, I
Oh shit, sorry.
No. Sayang.
Anong gagawin niyo? Nakita mo dyan, it's just there, lying on the floor, looking at you with his eyes.
Carla, you first.
You could see the glitter of your brother eyes.
palit sila ng so I cannot do anything, bro. Naging ranger si Fern.
Can we change classes?
Nagpalit sila eh.
I mean, hindi pa naman unconscious to si Leaf. He can still do something for himself.
Ano yung hit point? So, mag-work yung spare. Ashley,
Ano?
mag-work ba yung spare the dying?
Wait lang. Naano ko yung Ice Cube music. Bakit the music? Ito. It's okay. Okay. Nakita mo? Fern. Itong butler na to. Tinitignan kayo.
Okay.
Fern. Inahawak-hawak mo si Leaf. And you could see sa mata niya is merong nakausling bakal. And you could see na malaking pipe na nag-burst dito sa right side ng kapatid mo. Anong gagawin mo, Leaf?
May spare the dying si Leaf, pero si Leaf yun. Sino ba yung
Okay. Nakita mo? Leaf, Leaf. Yung nakita mo yung nag-close yung wound mo and nag-close din yung wound yung sa may pipe mo. But now stable na si Leaf. But there's still a metal na burst na ano sa mata ni Leaf and sa right side. And, but now, stable na siya. Pero hindi siya makapagsalita.
On to the other brother.
Wheelchair, you see your brother nandiyan na nakatulak sa'yo and he saved you.
Si Wilker. Fine. Eh, biglang sabi
Narinig
na,
ko pa the wheelchair.
no, no, you cannot die before father. I know we've been joking about you being an animated object, and while I will lose my right arm doing shits like this, but this is too early. Biglang tatouch ni Will yung face nung brother niya and will cast Cure Wounds.
Nakita mo? Bumuo yung leeg ng brother mo. And nakita mo yung buong mukha ng brother mo is now already constructed again. Pati yung throat niya. And you could hear something coming from your brother's mouth.
What is it?
Brother,
Yes.
I love you. Nakita mo,
You know,
pumikit na yung brother mo. And nakita mo yung hand niya na naka na shoulder mo. Suddenly drops.
eh, no. Don't leave me like this. Gagalaw-galawin ni Will si yung brother niya, like hindi yung vigorously pero yung hand lang yung gagalawin niya ng like shake talaga. Don't die.
Hindi na
We haven't
gumagalaw.
You haven't taken any pictures yet.
Ay, picture.
Hey,
Sorry.
Sorry,
That was
sorry.
Carla. That was
Hey,
Carla. That was
hey,
Carla. That was
hey,
Carla.
hey. You left your daughter there to fly. Can you just give us little respect here?
Kung hindi si Yan Milena nagsalita, like ako,
Milena,
No.
Milena,
I don't care what.
you didn't realize that your daughter's now sa pinaka dito is not moving anymore. But when you go near her, you heard this voice coming from her. Thank you, Mama. I cannot move my body anymore. I cannot feel my legs, Mama. And yun yung sinasabi sa Milena. She's crying. Mama, I cannot feel my legs. And nag-burst na blood yung daughter mo. Thank you. Even for a short period of time, you made me feel what it to be like to be a daughter. To not to be a garbage. To not be a like a trash. You made me feel like I'm one of your. Thank you, Mama. I love you so much. Nag-drop down yung daughter mo sa arm mo.
GM, di ba may brute something?
Oo. O nga pala, meron ka nun, ah.
Meron ako nun. Yeah.
Yung
So, di ko malala specifically, pero I think pwede niya to reincarnate or something.
No.
Yung life.
No, hindi
Diba?
ma-reincarnate.
Para ba? Hindi ko maalala eh.
yung
You-
brooch ba
You
yun?
could revive someone
Ito.
once na
Can I
ilagay mo
use
yung
it?
ring.
Ay, it's not a brooch, it's a ring. Okay. Pwede ko gawin yan.
Gamitin mo ba sa kanya?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ash na wala ako. Pakick ng ako dyan tapos para maka-join ulit ako.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay, yan. Okay. Milena, nakita mo yung ring. Pagkasuot mo, nag-glow itong bata na to. Nakita mo, nag-lift up siya ng onte and bumagsak ulit sa arm mo. Balik tayo mamaya sa'yo. Fern, nakita mo yung brother mo is just wala ng mata. And nakita mo parang buong burst out yung right, ano niya, anong gagawin mo? Okay, narinig mo to galing sa kanya. You're all right, brother. Well, you alright, Fern.
You can't die like this.
It's been so long. Really, I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to introduce myself again to you. After all this time, I just want to spend time with you again. Like old times.
Sorry, nagpuputol-putol.
Nagpuputol-putol ako?
Because nabinig ko kanina.
Okay. Like old times, brother. Fern. I'm just glad that you're alright. To be honest, earlier I didn't know how to introduce myself again to you. I'm just happy that I saw you again before my passing. Sabihin ka ba?
Ha?
May gagawin ka ba?
Mm. So, biglang like, umiiyak na si Fern and sobrang desperada na niya.
Don't cry, Fern.
We have to go home.
I'm not yet dead. I mean, even if my situation right now, I'm not dead. So don't cry anymore. Please. You know I'm a crybaby. Alam
Kahit
niyo,
ano lang
tumutulog din yung
hawak
luha
ko.
niya.
hawak-hawak si Fern yung kapatid. Umiiyak lang siya. We have to go. We have to see Mom and Dad. We have to see your new sister.
My new you're right. My new sister. I wonder what she looks like.
Dalawang, dalawang mata yung ano, wala. Wait, sabi mo isa lang.
No, isa lang. I mean,
Ay, okay.
wonder lang.
Okay. Okay, sorry.
I wonder what she looks like. I mean, I will know what she looks like because we will get there, right, Fern?
We-
Fern, we're going to be alright. I'm going to be alright. Right?
We'll be all right.
Wheelchair. Your brother lies in front of you. Doesn't move anymore. You could just see his lifeless body on your arm until someone arrives. A spiral on side of on of your brother appeared. Oops.
Fuck.
Wait lang.
What
Ash,
is that?
Ash,
What is that?
Ano yun?
Ash,
Bye-bye.
check mo muna yung message ko sa'yo sa messenger.
Sige. Wait lang. Oo nga pala. Wait lang. Wala na si Ed dito ah. Pwede mo ano na lang Ed, tawag na tayo, play, i-start mo.
What?
Start mo.
Okay.
Ayun, okay na ba?
Wala pa din. Ano pa din yung aking name? Grayed out pa din.
Sige, pwede kung sino pwede record, mag-ano mo na live for Edward. Mamaya natin.
Can't you like kick me and then so I can join again?
Nakik na kita kanina pa eh. Wala ka na dito eh.
Ayun. Na yun lang naglabas.
Okay.
Never mind. Thank you, Carla. Pero,
Wait lang. May naglolo ko yung ano ko. Okay, wait lang. Wait lang, saglit ah. Huh? Wait lang, something's wrong. Wait lang. Something's very wrong. Okay. Sorry ah. May inayos kasi ako. Hindi siya gumagana. Huh? Ba't ganun? Give me like a minute.
Pasensya pala kung may napapakinggan kayo dito ng ano, naglalaro. Para may naglalaro din dito na kami. Like Magic the Gathering or something. Which is cool. Ano mo yung setup na may ano sila? May like cards and like parang yung mat for the cards.
Ganun. What? Wait nga lang. I-check lang ako. Di ko magkano. What? Ba't ganun?
May theories pa kayo so far sa ano nangyayari?
Ay,
Like, is this a nightmare o ganon?
hindi na ba yung rat thing?
Alam ko, hindi na. We're not mice anymore, right? Yung alam ko.
Kasi ang alam ko yung
Okay.
hand thing. Yung
Okay.
rat dapat. And
Hindi
the
ko-
water was yung, alam mo yung unang encounter natin sa rat, yung doon sa field na yun. I don't know.
Nay-
I have some thoughts. Feeling ko ano, some of these people in this room are not really here. Joke lang, hindi ako sure. Pero yun ang aking first, iniisip ko.
Which people?
Secret. Ano mas kaya si Prince Malik? Oh, easy. Hindi ko siya pinupunta, hindi ko muna siya pinupuntahan. I'm letting Ash cook.
May something wrong sa ano ko ngayon.
Ang una kong
Wait lang. Sagit lang talaga, guys.
sana is
It's fine.
hindi
Go
si
lang.
Hindi lang nagkaroon ng ano eh.
Spare the die.
Feel ko talaga purgatory.
Purgatory, no?
Sorry.
It's like Lost Blood.
Like, alam niyo yung parang story ng yung Grim Reaper, yung like isisil ka papunta sa like this
Oh.
is the entire boat.
Nag-upgrade na sila from a rowboat to cruise ship.
May speaker pa.
Oo.
Kala ko, oo.
Sinong brother na namatay sa inyo, Carla? Is the yung sa twins? Is it the quieter one?
Yes. Yung dapat ay yung ano, yung wait. Nagpalit kasi sila ng class, so hindi ko alam kung magpapalit din sila ng lore. Pero yung ano, yung richer one dapat. Basta yung cleric.
Yung cleric. Okay. So it's okay. Gets. Pero napatawa ako doon. They switch classes, but I don't know if the Lord also switches.
Yun nga eh. Kasi yung una talaga, yung rich guy is si Leaf, hindi si Fern.
Oh, so ibig sabihin si Leaf yung namatay.
Hindi
O si
siya
Fern.
napatay ngayon.
Or na-injure.
Si Leaf yung na ano.
Balik mo na sa audio.
Okay. Gets. So Leaf, the rich man.
Don't. Huwag mo nang anuhin at may malik ka na.
Hey, hey,
Hey.
I mean, according
eh,
to Malik though,
ay, di ko nga alam kung anong status niya eh. Too
probably
far
yes.
away. Oh, it's too far away. Ah, this bodyguard sucks. Ilang beses na namatay si Malik. Yung bodyguard, walang ginagawa. What a stupid bodyguard.
Grabe
Ah,
naman yung ganda lang yung ambag, no?
Yun na lang ang bag na eh, hindi pa niya magawa. You know, the bodyguard doesn't have like, oh, and he has a name, pero
The name.
bodyguard. Pero it's just ayaw ko siya ano. Ayaw ko siya ayaw ko siya sabihin. He's just gonna be the bodyguard. The
He
bodyguard.
deserves a name.
Name him. Say his name. So
Why?
confirmed na bata yung ano? So confirmed na anak nga ni Malina yung bata?
Mm, don't think so.
No? Hmm.
Si Wilcher, di ba yung triplets before?
Oo. Si Wilcher, si Lisa, si Fern.
Oo.
Pero nung pumasok daw dito sa room na to, nawala yung parang disguise.
Hey, this
I think.
guys. I mean, at least magkamukha na sila ng
Yan, nung kapatid.
kapatid.
Okay.
Ah.
Naulat ako sa ano ngayon. Naglolo ko yung Forge. Anyway. Okay. Balik tayo. Hindi ko maayos eh. Pero, Wheelchair. You see your lifeless brother, lifeless body of your brother in front of you. And suddenly, there's a spiral going beside you. And biglang nakita mo, biglang may lumabas na something na parang mukha siyang monkey. But he have a huge horn na parang deer sa gilid niya. Ayan o, pag inano niya naman nakikita niyo, di ba?
Yeah.
Ayan, yun yung itsura niya. And nakikita mo parang, meron siya mahabang buntot. And bigla mo narinig, oh, where am I? Oh, tinignan niya kayong dalawa. And kayong dalawa, you remember, Wheelchair, who's this is. Oh, Wheelchair, you grown a lot from when you were a child. So is this where I'm gonna rip what you saw? Tumingin siya, tinignan niya to si Giltor.
What?
You don't remember what your deal when you were young?
What deal?
Oh, you don't remember. That's wonderful. Pumalakpak siya. That you would. If one of you dies, you would be vanished, right? But the deal was, if one of you died, I will put someone or one of you into something. Right? And of course, one of you, I will get something This is the deal. Oh, you don't remember me? Just say my name 3 times, and you will be. What do you call this? You will be saved. If you can remember what's my name, do you remember it, Wheelchair? Or else I won't save your brother.
Oh god, di ko tanda. Um,
Phone a friend.
Phone a
Um,
friend.
uh, um, uh, do I have
Oh,
chances?
nah.
Mm, who could have made me a deal? Oh, nahanap ko eh. Okay, suti na lang. Is it
Oh?
Ru-
Oh?
ru- ru-
W- w-
Rumble.
Oh.
It's
You're going
Rum,
there?
Rumple's still, still, still,
Oh,
skin.
yeah.
Rumple skin.
Oh, yeah, sure. You remember it right now, so you will just say it 3 times, and I will be yours.
Ay,
Rumple skin. Rumple skin.
Oh, oh.
Rumple skin.
Marvelous! Alam mo, yung bigla siyang umikot pa, ikot ng paikot sa'yo. And
Mhm.
biglang nakita mo, yung dalawa mong legs,
thank you. Okay na.
and yung right arm
Thank
mo,
you.
biglang nawala. Bag!
Nawala ulit ako ng legs. Okay.
And nakita mo, etong mismong brother mo, tumingin siya sa paligid. I should put him here. Nakita mo biglang nag-create ng malaking golem dito. Na parang isang malaking golem na sobrang laki. And nakita mo meron siya hawak na club. Tapos bigla niyang kumatok siya 3 beses. Tok, tok, tok. Oh, this is hollow. I will put your brother here. But leave him for a days or 2. Bye-bye! Nakita mo biglang yung ano mo, biglang yung brother mo na biglang nawala and parang siya naging kaluluwa na pumasok doon sa golem. And ikaw ngayon, you are stuck na ngayon. Pero dahil mabait siya ng Paul Steelkin, binigyan ka niya ng spirit arm and spirit legs.
Let's go.
Lagi na lang nawawalan ng effect.
And nakita
Mahilig mamputol ng arms and legs si Ash.
Uh-uh.
and,
My
Torso cat.
and you guys saw a staircase here. Here. Wait lang. Hindi ko maano. Here. What the fuck? Okay. Here. Nakikita nyo naman ba to? Oops.
Wala pa kami nakikita. Ash.
Ayan. Hindi ba nakikita to?
Nope.
Nope.
Ayan.
Ayun, nakita mo
Nope.
lang.
Ay, yung white?
Yung white.
Yeah.
Nakita ko yung staircase dyan. And dun sa staircase, you could see this man tumataas papunta dun. Oh, you're
Oh.
already done! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Weird. Can I run to Malik? Check ko na kung kamusta siya.
Okay, sure.
Sinasabi lang ni tumatakbo lang si Chuck. You just hear him whisper, fuck. Malik, are you alright? Is he alright?
Nakita mo,
Or is he...
nawala yung barrier na meron si Malik. Nakita mo yung barrier na it look like a turtle. Nakita mo yung singsing biglang yung parang what do you call this? Yung bracelet pala biglang pumutok.
Oh.
Results of
Oh! Oh! But is he conscious at all?
Yeah,
Is he breathing? I check if
conscious siya.
he's breathing. Conscious siya?
Oo. And unharmed.
Unharmed! What? Like, I thought I lost you. And then you guys just see them kiss. Yun lang.
Sana all.
Alright.
You know, the prince is a silent character, alright? He communicates through movement and action.
Milena,
Very persuasive.
the child falls down in your arm. Still not moving.
Wala na, may patay na.
You could see the ring glow again 2 times. Tuck. And until nakita mo yung mismong ring naging kulay black. From red to black. You could hear your child grasp for the air. Is that you?
So, like, hindi na lang nagsalita si Milena. She just cradled.
I'm kind of bored with you all now. You know what? Naglabas siya ng bottle. Nakita nyo, biglang hinigop
Wala akong
lahat ng taong malapit sa inyo. Biglang pumasok dun sa bottle lahat. There we go. If you want this, come and find me upstairs. Nakita nyo lahat ng malapit sa inyo nawala. And you are now there. Nandyan sa baba nyo. Alam niyo, hawak-hawak mo Fern, yung kapatid mo. Jax, hinahalikan mo yung prince. Milena, nakita mo yung anak mo, hawak-hawak mo. Wheelchair, you can see your brother going inside. Bigla silang nawala. Hinigop ng bottle na hawak no kaninang may maskara na na sun. Nawala sila lahat sa harap niya. And that's where session will end.
Okay.
2 shots.
Session!
3 siya.
Naging station na siya.
3 shots.
Okay.
What do you mean session?
Welcome to Lotus.
Welcome to Lotus Mansion.
Lotus
Part
Season 3! Ito na pala yung Season 3, guys. Anthology series na yung yung main campaign na nilalaro namin.
No. 3 shots lang siya. 3 shots lang.
3 shots na.
2 shots lang talaga medyo napatagal ngayon. So, ginawa ko ng 3 shots. Ayoko na ituloy hanggang mamaya
Yeah.
Okay, ito na
Tama,
yung pinaka-best
tama.
end.
Ayaw natin maulit yung last time.
So, dito mo na magtatapos. And yung
Napatawa.
and yung
Sige, anong pinaka?
wait lang. And yung ngayon yung place nyo pala ngayon is dark. And punong-puno ng cave. Bumangga yung barko. Nag-pierce through doon sa cave. Sa loob ng cave. Kaya sobrang dilim ngayon. Yun lang. Yun lang yung nasaan kayo ngayon.
But I was busy kissing him. Where are you?
Hindi natapos yung kiss eh.
Oo.
Nalaplap pa sila.
Next naman, may laplapan session pa.
Guys, pabayaan nyo na. Hanggang dito lang ang ko na lang maramdaman. Kaya okay lang. Fantasy, diba? Fantasy naman.
Same.
Okay.
Good.
Doon muna natin i-end kasi ayoko na maulit yung nakaraan. And I hope you guys enjoyed the session for today. Sana di kayo na bored.
Oh, yeah. It's great.
For real,
Na-enjoy.
man.
Thank you,
Pagkatapos
you.
ng
Thank
next
you,
session,
Edward, and your dedication. Find internet.
sabihin niyo sa akin kung kailan nyo gusto ituloy. Okay? Para before December. Kasi, Edward, may sabihin ka ba?
Wait lang, kaya akong pansit kanton eh. Wait lang.
Uy, is this
Delicious.
the red one? Is this the red one?
Next week, if sino lang interested, will be the start of Session 0 ng Cyberpunk Red. If sinong
Let's
interested.
go.
Alright.
Finally. Finally.
Sabihin ko kung anong date, pero for sure na it will happen before the end of the year. Pero yung Session 0, kung sino man interested, kung gusto nila makita kung what's the deal with Cyberpunk Red, with the dark future, parang nag-ano lang ako, no? Nagbenta lang ako. Join me next week sa ating seminar sa Session 0. Siguro mga same time next week, Thursday or kung kailan kayo available. Friday, Saturday. Ayun.
Thank you, Edward, for that sponsor. Wow. For that short message. By the way, yung next session will be the shortest one. Like legit yung next session kasi it's just an ending for this session talaga. So, kung kailan nyo gusto siya ituloy, parang sobrang bilis lang niya as in. So, kayo kung
Okay.
kailan nyo gusto siya ituloy, like, wag lang Saturday, o hindi lang din pwede sa Sunday, kasi meron akong game din on that day. And, hindi din pwede pwede bukas actually. Pero, start
Hindi ako pwede bukas.
Hindi din pala pwede bukas. May mga...
Oo, may mga ihahanda ako.
Okay. I guess sa Monday and next week. Parang ganun. Sige.
Actually, kung gusto nyo, Ash, wait lang, Ash, payag ka pa na tapusin natin yung ending, and then after that is yung Session 0, o gusto mo separate yung ano natin, dalawa?
Pwede naman.
Oo. Para isahan.
Pwede.
No.
Saglit
Oo.
lang naman yun eh. Oo. Ayoko din ngayon eh kasi baka kasi patagalan kayo eh. And yung iba may pasok bukas, si Cheska pati si Matt. Kaya ayoko
Sige.
naman din. Ano?
Sem break.
Tayo wala na
Sana
tayo. Kasi
all.
break
Kaya nga
tayo.
eh.
Pero sila kasi
Sana
may
all.
trabaho.
Pom-pom.
What the hell?
Pero yun nga, kung gusto
Take
yun nga.
Take that back.
Joke lang.
Pero yeah, sana nag-enjoy kayo ngayon.
For real.
Kung may mga theory kayo, pwede nyo isabihin sa chat or sa messenger kasi mas gusto ko din yun. May bigyan ko inspiration kapag madaldal kayo sa campaign. Joke lang. Sige na.
Thank you, Ash.
Thank you din sa
Thank you sa
pagsali.
game.
Bye.
See you next week.
See you next week. Thank you.
Marami ko next year, gago. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, guys.
Good
Let's
night.
go.
Bye-bye.
Rekta pa.
Ash,
Bye-bye.
Sige, dito lang
dito
edit.
ko. Oh, dito, tito Tin muna ako. May gusto ko